All right, so here's our 360 nominal voltage battery traction pack from our donor car. All right, this is what's going to go inside of that. So this will be oriented so you see this along here, which will be towards the firewall and the front of the vehicle, all of which will be mirrored. So when you look in, you can look at the reflection from the mirror and see inside here. And this will be a squeeze in the sides. You really won't be able to see these because they'll be tucked away down inside the engine bay. But and here are our new braces. These are the braces slash supports that create a squeezing force on these batteries, because when you discharge these, and then possibly when you charge them too, they tend to expand from the heat, from the transference of energy, and when they separate too much, they can cause damage. So these are put in place to prevent that by squeezing them an equal force. But this is it. All right, and this, peel back. Now for this big reveal here. Come off of there, you come off here, come off here. Curve not push down, like this. It's like go down when you peel. Bam, baby. Look at that. Ha! Sweet! So this will have that clear shield that'll go over top with the EV sign that goes over top of it.
Clear windows in the side. And this will be clear.
Yeah, so you see down into the heart of the beast. Yeah. Yep, it works.
Okay.
Now for the latches.
Yeah.
All right, so here's the setup. This is the UQN 135 electric motor. This is the Torque Trends torque box gear reducer. This is the yoke that connects to the drive shaft. This is the inverter. This is what gives this power. This is your DC input. That's your 2 DC cables coming from the battery box, which will give this power. This is your 3-phase output, your COM port, which communicates with this motor. It's your COM port, and it's your 3-phase input that comes from here. So this is going to go inside of the engine bay of Big Red here. That motor and gear reducer is going to go down in that tunnel where the transmission used to be. And the inverter, which controls the motor, is going to be somewhere right here. There's where the gas tank used to be. And that's the setup so far. Sure appears.